The project prompt was actually for class assignments for Beth Ann's narrative 2, and we were to create a piece that illustrated a magical object, and it was also an ongoing competition at the time, and our faculty always prompts us to get involved in the competitions because that's like the best way to promote ourselves in the real professional world. So the competition was about illustrating this magical object, and one of the magical objects they displayed on their website was this calabash. It's a Japanese object that had like myth of containing things like it could be any magical spells or it could be like demons or curses. And since I have Oriental background, I thought I could use this and illustrate it and like illustrate it in a way that I can show some Oriental cultural background. And I really didn't expect to get into the competition because it wasn't, frankly, my best piece. And but I believe they liked the uniqueness of it.